The Last Supper by Leonardo da Vinci, painted between 1495 and 1498, is one of the most famous artworks in the world. It shows Jesus Christ having his final meal with his disciples, but this is more than just a dinner scene. Da Vinci filled it with hidden meanings and secrets. At the center of the painting, Jesus is sitting surrounded by his disciples. Pay attention to how their reactions change when Jesus says, "One of you will betray me." The atmosphere shifts dramatically. Some disciples look shocked, others confused, and some appear guilty. Judas, who will betray Jesus, is the only one leaning back, holding a small bag. It's almost like he's already prepared for what's to come. His face is in shadow and his eyes are lowered, showing his guilt. Meanwhile, the other disciples show various emotions: disbelief, sorrow, and confusion. Look closely at the table. The disciples are arranged in three groups of three, which could symbolize the Holy Trinity: the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. But the table is not just flat. It's designed to create depth and perspective. This draws your focus to the center of the painting, where Jesus is sitting. It's more than a meal. It represents a pivotal moment in history. Take a close look at Jesus' hands. They are nearly touching the bread just before he speaks about his body being broken for others. The bread and wine are powerful Christian symbols of Christ's body and blood. The way Jesus' hands hover over the bread seems almost like a warning. The bread is not just food, it's a sacred offering. This moment, though calm, marks the beginning of a monumental change in history. Notice the three groups of disciples. Why three? Da Vinci was brilliant with numbers and proportions, and here, the number three symbolizes divine perfection and unity, the Holy Trinity. The table is divided into three sections, which highlights that this meal is not ordinary. It's a key moment in spiritual history. Look at the windows in the background. The shape created by the windows looks like a cross, subtly hinting at Jesus' coming crucifixion. Da Vinci wasn't just painting a meal, he was capturing the moment before Jesus' sacrifice. The cross in the background hints at what's to come, a reminder of the storm that will soon arrive. It's easy to think this is just a meal, but it's so much more. It's a moment of betrayal, sacrifice, and prophecy. What looks peaceful and ordinary is filled with tension. Every disciple's expression, every placement, and every detail is leading to the tragedy that will follow. It's a calm moment before everything changes. Is the painting just about betrayal? Or is Da Vinci encouraging us to look deeper into human nature? Jesus' calm presence amidst all the chaos speaks volumes about sacrifice and fate. The way each disciple reacts shows the range of human emotions: love, betrayal, sorrow, confusion, and faith. Take a moment to think about this. What do we miss when we only look at the surface? Sometimes, the biggest moments are not in the chaos, but in the quiet, unspoken things.